How to view others' deleted TikTok video. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on your profile. Here, you can view and edit your profile information. Go to your feed and open the video you want to delete. Now tap on the three dots on the right side as shown. Here, you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Swipe left and tap on the delete icon. Tap on delete again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this video. Now go back to your profile. Then go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. After that, select Settings and Privacy from the bottom. Then, go to Activity Center. Now scroll down and go to Recently Deleted. You can now view all your recently deleted TikToks over here. Following these steps, you can easily view others' deleted TikTok videos.